Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh. Can you please give advice to the Muslims who feel as if they are barely hanging on and struggling with their deen? Hayakallah.
Always we say you have to attend the classes, you have to have good friends to go with. The most important thing I heard about people, they are going through with Sihr and Ain, reciting Surah Al-Baqarah every day in the house. Wallahi, and I tell you something, now when I was in an apartment, I moved today. That apartment for 2 weeks, I don't feel good. Because usually when you go to any apartment, even before, when I took my house in Beshur, I feel that there is something inside the house. Because, before me, people having dogs, drinking, having adultery. Maybe they are not believing in Allah. So all the shayateen is there. When I went to my nephew's house today, mashallah, I feel relaxed. Because I'm pretty sure he's praying there, he's reading Quran, the family, his wife, alhamdulillah, there is nothing at all. Not I feel bad when I was there, but I feel that something is wrong there. You feel you are not alone, there is something is wrong in the apartment. But usually, alhamdulillah, because of the iman, I don't pay attention to that. But what I'm saying is being with good people, attending classes, reciting Quran in the house. If you recite it at least once every 3 days, you have a promise from the Prophet ﷺ that shaitan cannot enter your house. When you get in, you say the dhikr, because if you don't say it, shaitan will enter with you and he will eat with you. And maybe if you do something, the intercourse with your wife, he will do whatever. I mean, this is all the adhkar, they will prevent you from going through this situation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us.